Good afternoon, grade 1. Welcome to your English class. In today's English class, we are going to sequence the story. Sequence यानी order में रखना या लिखना. That is called as a sequence. We did the sequence lesson on our day 1, which is on Monday. We did a sequence lesson. Today we will continue. Sequence का मतलब होता है order में डालना कोई भी चीज़. जैसे कि for example, what is sequencing in your daily life? First, I get up from my bed. Next, I brush my teeth. Then I have a bath. Lastly, I have my breakfast. तो ये हो गया आपका लाइफ का डेली वर्क का सीक्वेंस. उसे कहते हैं सीक्वेंस. Okay, sequence. Now, today what we are going to do is we are going to read this, A Surprise for Grandma. Read the whole chapter and then we are going to sequence some sentences. I am going to read the chapter till here for you and then I am going to sequence and show you how to sequence sentences. A Surprise for Grandma. 1. Listen, read and enact. Sunday is a holiday. Soham and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Hello Grandma. Hello Grandpa. Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows. Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest. So he's asking Grandma to take rest. Come on, Soham. Come on, Sweetie. Grandpa, Soham and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. Now, I have read till here. Now let's look at the sentences that we have to sequence. Okay. Now I have written some sentences here. We have to sequence them. Grandma has cleaned all the rooms. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma, Soham and Sweetie work in the kitchen. Are you tired, Grandma? Now these are these 4 sentences. We've read the story, right? We know the first thing that happens is Soham and Sweetie are going to Grandma and Grandpa. So you have to write this sentence here. What will you write? Sohan first. Sohan and Sweetie are going to whatever. आपको end तक लिखना है grandma and grandpa. Which is the next sentence? Next sentence is Grandma has cleaned all the rooms. So if you see the textbook also, after Soham and Sweetie are going to visit Grandma, Grandpa, उसके बाद में this sentence is there. She has cleaned all the rooms. So your next is going to be Grandma has cleaned all the rooms. Grandma has cleaned all the rooms. You have to write the whole sentence. Has cleaned all the rooms. Now between the third and fourth, what comes then? First, Soham and Sweetie are going to Grandma and Grandpa. Next, Grandma has cleaned all the rooms. Then, what is then? Are you tired, Grandma? Asks Sohan, right? उसके बाद आएगा Are you tired? Are you tired, Grandma? Right? And lastly, what is the last sentence? Grandpa, Soham and Sweetie work in the kitchen. That is your last sentence. So lastly, Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. आपको यहाँ तक लिखना है, right? So whenever you sequence a story, you should always start with first, then next, then and lastly. Now We will continue with the story, and this is your work. There are 4 sentences given. You have to rewrite these sentences using these words: first, next, then, and lastly. From where are we getting these sentences? From the remaining chapter. I'll read the chapter for you. Come to the kitchen, Grandma, come and see. Oh, soup, sandwiches, and salad. What a treat. Grandma, do you like banana delight? Oh, I love it. And now there's a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel. Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise. But, Grandma, no buts now. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you. So this is how the story goes. And the sentences that you have to put in order is: Grandma was surprised to see soup, sandwiches and salad. So this is the sentence given first. The children called Grandma to the kitchen. So you have to think what happens first. The children told Grandma that they will help her to use the mobile phone. And the 4th sentence given is: the children gave Grandma another surprise. They had a parcel for her. So there are 4 sentences given. You have to think what happens first from all these sentences, what happens next, then, and lastly. So you have to write this in your notebook. Yes? So this is your English work for today. Thank you.